As we all know the current situation due to coronavirus pandemic, everything is closed. But our PIMSR is trying hard to educate us. Our faculty members are using online platforms to conduct online lectures, presentations, extracurricular activities, etc. Also, they gave us free subscription to the Coursera, so we can use our time wisely and can gain some extra knowledge. Though there were no exams for the first year students, but our staff members completed all the syllabus for the same year and took Viva of each student separately. We are blessed with the best faculty members who are educated from top 10 institutes of India. Our director was the CEO of one of the best MNCs. There is a well-known phrase called "Kabil bano, kamyabi aapke piche."
Greetings everyone. My name is Deepak Singh Negi and I'm student of Pillai HOC, Institute of Management Studies and Research. And currently I'm pursuing my MBA with specialization in operations. So as we all know, right now the world is suffering from very tough situation and each and every country is fighting with every resource possible to defeat COVID-19. And on March 27, 2020, an Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Singh Modi announced the lockdown of the country, and from that day the country had stood still. Every working sector was hit by this pandemic. Even our schools and colleges were closed. For few weeks there was no classes in any schools and any colleges, but our professors and teachers fight the way back in and started online classes. Our professors were focused and dedicated on each and every student, and they taught us how to use this time for our self-development. They suggested multiple online courses, different books, especially within management and human behavior, which will surely help us in our new future to understand our subject more deeply. In these few months, many things have stopped all around the world, but not our college PIMSR, which made sure their student doesn't lag behind to achieve their goals and to complete their education. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Manali Davle. I am currently doing my specialization in marketing. Pillai HOC, Institute of Management Studies and Research, is taking tremendous efforts by starting online lectures and various courses to build our knowledge. This college has helped me gain my confidence and build my soft skills. Various activities such as book reviews make this MMS course more enjoyable. In graduation, I was very shy kid with low confidence, but this institute has made me totally different person. The teaching system over here is different. The faculty member that we have gives more practical knowledge, which is really needed, as our faculty members who will teach us are high qualified, who are doing tremendous well in their field. The journey that I had from graduation till now is total.
Greetings all, my name is Pranit Yadav and my specialization is IT. Here in Pillai HOC Institute of Management Studies and Research, all our faculty members promote active participation of all the students. Instead of just boring lectures, our faculty members focus more on interactive sessions with discussions, Q&As and case studies. Our faculty members also like to discuss current events with us and share their experience and perspective over the subject. During this COVID lockdown, we were provided with n number of certification courses that we can choose from according to our specialization, so that we can fully utilize this time in our hand. Thank you.
Greetings all, my name is Shivani and I am a student of Pillai HOC Institute of Management Studies and Research. Right now, I am pursuing MMS degree in HR specialization. Friends, I would like to tell you that I was a student from aviation industry, but I wanted to pursue further education, so I took advice from my professors. One of my professors suggested me that Pillai HOC Institute of Management Studies and Research is one of the best management institute where you will not only get the best education but also supporting staff. Being a part of this institution is one of the best decisions of my life. I am blessed with the best institute with the best friendly instructors. Because of my director, I got an opportunity to do my summer internship in MNC. I thank the entire staff of my institute for being by my side throughout my journey. Our faculty members are like candle. They consume themselves to light the way of others. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.